pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for months now. I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what a struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Oh, between the love and the love you leave behind, you're headed for disaster, 'cause you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. I'm just a shadow of the man I used to be, and it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine, now all I ever do is bring you down. Oh, how would it be if you were standing in my shoes? Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Everywhere I go, I'm about to lose. Oh, yes, too much love will kill you, just in